Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Skill Labs. This channel I will show you how to different types of Laravel script plugins and uh, I will fix some bug. Hope you my work and subscribe and stay with me. So let's get started our project. We will install Modesy and classified as script. You can see script price is 69 USDT. Now let's come into the next part. First, we have to download the script. I have a link which I will give you in the description so that you can download file. Okay. When you click the link, you will see kind of interface. Click human verification. Click subscribe. Click subscribe. Okay. Now here is a download button. Now we are in the download section. We have access. Click in download option. Click download anyway. Download is started. In this time, let's log into our cPanel. Now we have to create a subdomain to install the script because I don't use my primary domain for tutorial. Type domains. Here is domain section. Now click create a new domain. Okay, now we have to create a subdomain. Modesy dot. Okay, this is a subdomain. Now click submit. It takes sometimes to create because huge subdomain and main domain are on the cPanel appears. Okay, now our subdomain is created. Let's search the subdomain. Okay, now we'll go to the document root and meanwhile we will visit also the domain page. Okay, now we have download this script. It's time to upload the script on the subdomain. If you have a main domain, you can upload your main domain. If you want to upload public underscore HTML, you can also upload there if you need so. Okay, now click upload. Select go to download. Okay, now let the script upload. Sometimes it takes too long. showing 100%, but the upload is not completed yet. When the upload is successfully completed, the 100% bar will be green. Okay, our script is successfully uploaded. Back to our subdomain. Now extract the zip folder. We don't need this anymore. So we will delete the zip folder, enter the folder, select all, move to subdomain. Okay, we don't need this also. Now let's visit our subdomain. Okay, it's successfully. mm, Okay, it's working. Click install. Remember, this is a bypass for educational purpose only. You can type anything. Next. Okay. Click next. Also, there is a permission. These folders need to be permissions to read, write, and execute. If you stuck anywhere, you can message me on Telegram. Click next. Okay. Now it's time to connect the database. We have create database, search, database wizard. Okay. Modesy, DB, database name, database user, generate a password as you like, copy the password and tick mark here, use password, click create user, click all privileges, now click make changes. Okay, we have the user and the database name. Remember, we have copied the database password and paste it here. This is our database user, database username, and this is our database. And it always be localhost. Okay, click next. Okay, our database is successfully connected and subdomain is showing there. If you have the primary domain, it will show the primary domain. Okay, now select the time. Select New York. You have seriously then give all name, email are genuine. I will use fake names. John, week. Okay, I will use this because this is a tutorial. Now click finish. Remember, this is your admin email and password. Okay. Wow, our script is successfully okay. You can see now you can see there is empty because no dummy content imported. You have to add content slider product from the admin panel, and if user register and user can also add uh, product. Okay, now remember, after install successfully, delete this install folder. Otherwise, if you enter the domain and slash install, it will newly install your website. So delete this folder. Okay, now we will enter the admin panel. Okay, this is our email and this is our password. Log into the admin panel. We successfully enter the login panel. This is very cool. You have everything: theme, slider, homepage manager, order, refund request. Everything you have. You can customize your front end from the admin panel. You have everything. So hope you like this video and subscribe and stay with my channel. If you need any script, you can message me on Telegram. So don't forget to add Telegram channel because I will update there. And if you face any bug or issue or any problem, anything, you can share with me on Telegram. So hope you enjoy the video.
Like and subscribe. I will come again. By lovely people.